Today, Peppa and George are going for a swim in their pool.
George, you can do it.
Too scared.
George, just pretend you're a dinosaur.
Dinosaurs? Dinosaur! Great splash there, George.
Mommy, Daddy, watch me. Alright, George, make way for your big sister.
Dinosaur!
Fluffy,
Daddy, I
Fluffy
don't need
buddy.
you, George, but our pool is too
Fluffy
small.
buddy.
We have a larger one.
Fluffy.
It's too large for them.
Hello, kiddo. Hello.
Meanwhile, at the community
Hello.
Yeah.
Hmm? Fluffy. Fluffy buddy. Fluffy. Hello. Hello. Thank you, baby. High five. Give me high five. High five.
What?
High five.